Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and on this night, I am just getting the house tidied back up. It is a Friday night, and I'm just getting ready for the weekend so we can just relax and have fun with the kids. It had been a while since I did an after dark clean with me, so I wanted to get this one done, and I was just trying to quickly get everything tidied up. I had went grocery shopping earlier this day, and then my daughter was going to a friend's house. So I was running around, so it was a little late when I was getting to all this. But I usually don't film like quick cleanup videos. I usually do like longer cleaning videos, but sometimes I know I do. Sometimes I just need that little motivation just to do a quick tidy up. So I was just quickly getting everything tidied up and just ready for the weekend. And the little girl I babysit, this is just some of her toys that she has over here. I was just getting those straightened back up as well. And to my surprise, I was actually able to get the floors vacuumed because, well, in this area, because Valkyrie wanted to go outside, and I didn't want to just put her out there because she will just want back in and just start barking, and it was getting pretty late. It was like almost 10 o'clock at night, so she went out to go potty. I hurried up and vacuumed the living room floor real quick, and there was so much dog hair, like right in through here where the toys are. There's always so much dog hair through there, and I had slipped and fell off of my porch about a week ago, about almost 2 weeks ago now. And so my ankle's healing, so I'm walking around a lot better compared to my last video. I was limping around. But I hadn't been able to get the floors vacuumed, mopped, or swept in a week. So there was so much dog hair just clumped up everywhere. And those totes, some of them is some of our Halloween decor that goes outside, and one of them is actually my fall decor that needs to go out to the shed. So I'm going to get my kids to help me get that out there this weekend. But I was just getting this table cleaned off so I can get it wiped down.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive.
So since my daughter went to her friend's house, I was feeding Loki. Most of our animals, actually all of them but George and Bailey, do not have Marvel names. We've got Thor, we've got Valkyrie, they're Marvel characters, and, Thor's brother, Loki. But anyway, so I am just feeding him his mealworms, and on Saturday, we had to pick our daughter up from her friend's house, and I had to take her to go get her uniform altered. She is in JOROTC. And then we had to go to the pet store to get him all of his food because he was running low, and I was picking through trying to find some mealworms, but most of them were just gone. So, just getting her little bearded dragon fed for her. And she stuck some little haunted houses that I had in his cage because he needed Halloween decor, she said.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love.
And I am just using one of my all-time favorite products to clean my sink out with is Soft Scrub. It has bleach in it, and I just like using that on my sinks because I just feel like it cleans it really well and disinfects it really good as well. because you gotta have a clean sink before you even wash dishes. Like if I had a load of dishes to wash, I would scrub out the sink first before I started washing all the dishes. But my daughter had did the dishes before she left. So all I had to do was just come in here and wash out the sink and get all the counters wiped down and everything.
Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both like everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going.
So while I was cleaning my kitchen back up and I was putting stuff away, oh my goodness, these kids have got my cabinets so unorganized. So I am planning on, I don't know when, and I'm not sure what video it's gonna be, but I'm trying to get everything planned because the ice maker had went out in my freezer, so my husband was trying to fix it, and I did not know all of those, the inside of the freezer, like the trays and like the plastic, the drawers, they actually remove out of the freezer. Anyways, so that I plan on disassembling and getting the inside of my freezer cleaned, because as he was pulling that stuff out, there was some dog hair up in there, so that's extra gross, and so that needs to get good and clean. And then underneath the kitchen sink is terrible, all of my cabinets, so all of that pretty soon is getting tackled. So if you guys need some extreme kitchen cleaning motivation, that will be your video. And that is coming up here pretty soon. I am hoping I can get it filmed sometime this week. But I do want to go and get some more organizing bins for underneath my kitchen sink before I get started. And so I'm pretty excited about that because it just needs a total redone.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little after dark clean with me, quick tidy up, whatever you guys want to call it. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. I am so happy and grateful to have you guys, each and every one of y'all. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.